What's up guys, good morning. Now it is 9:33. Today is Sunday. I usually wake up like 10 o'clock during the weekend, but today is a little bit earlier. So today I would like to share how to make Taiwanese pancake. And by the way, why I speak a little bit whisper? Because my housemate, she was sleeping. And the reason why I want to share this is because before I came to here, I don't know how to make it. So I always eat toast and with chocolate or with strawberry jam. I can eat toast with chocolate every single day. It was insane, huh? So if you guys are coming to Australia, you must to learn how to make Taiwanese pancake. So now let's go to kitchen. Alright guys, so now we are in the kitchen, and the ingredients of omelette we have this one. It's the skin of omelette because I don't know the exact name of the skin of omelette, and you can buy this brand. It's cheap. A slice of cheese and this brand as well is good. And the egg. This one. A little bit green onion and tuna. If you don't like to eat tuna, you can choose bacon. Okay, so let's start it. And don't forget to stir it. Now I'm going to making milk tea. What's up guys, I already finished my Taiwanese pancake, and if you really enjoy any part of it, just drop me a like because it will help me out a ton. If you really like this type of video, just comment down below. I probably will film more and more these topics video. Okay, and I'm Wei. I'll catch you guys soon. Cheers!